Welcome back to the channel. I'm your Stuttering Tech Drew, back with another video, and today I'm reviewing the GameSir X2 Type-C mobile gaming controller. Now this controller will set you back $70, but I have the package that comes with the carrying case, which is usually $99.99. Yeah, $100. But at the time of recording this video, it is on sale for the same price as just getting it without the case, $70, $69.99. I do want to know that this also comes in a Bluetooth version, and there's also a Lightning version, Lightning port version for iPhones as well. Now let's go ahead. Let's take a look around the box real quick. As I just said, the X2 Type-C mobile gaming controller. On the bottom here, it says Pro Grip, esports class thumbsticks, one-click screenshot. Let's go around the back here. Minimize delay, wired connection, born for esports. Plug and play, max angle of 51 degrees Type-C interface. 2 milliamp an hour, ultra low power consumption. Also, micro switch buttons, 3 million strokes lifespan. Soft rubber grip, cozy handheld feeling. Support Android phones with a max length of, move this little thing over, 173 millimeters. So, and I think you have followed us, and I think this is the app, the GameSir app, which you could go and download on the Play Store. I believe the GameSir app will allow you to map the hardware buttons for games that don't support controllers. Genshin Impact still has no controller support on Android as of the time of recording this video. All right. Let's go ahead and get this boy open, which there's no tools needed. You just go ahead and pull this little thing, the little tab up, and there we go. Let's get this boy open. See, this is our nice looking case right here, GameSir X2, and yeah, it feels nice. Let's get this thing open. And here we have our accessory box and the controller. Let's see what we get here with the accessories. Okay, here we go. So we get a couple books here, and here we have a GameSir sticker where you could stick anywhere you want. I don't see myself using that. And what else do we get in here? Oh, we get some thumb grips right here for the thumbsticks, and we also get, what is this? I don't know what that is. That all goes to the side right there. Here is the star of the show right here. This is the X2, and I've already, let's peel this off, get that out the way, and here's our controller. So here are the clicky buttons. It's not analog, it's all digital. Yeah, the shoulder buttons and triggers are very clicky. Here are the buttons. Thumbsticks feel okay. Don't feel too bad. And we have our D-pad. Okay, not bad. Not the best either. Okay. I could see myself. I'm gonna have problems doing my little Hadoukens on this side. And here is the USB-C where you put your phone in. And yes, it does angle about 51 degrees. And this is where your phone will lie, which is rubberized. And on the back, yes, we have our rubberized feeling. And we have a USB-C port for pass-through charging right here. Or I guess you could plug in a dongle if you want to. But yeah, for pass-through charging. I'll try putting something in there, a dongle or whatever. But yeah, so there it is. Oh, and it extends. So this is how far it can extend. And this thing can fit my Pixel 6 Pro, but I'm actually using it for this overhead shot that you're seeing right now. So I can't even put it in here to demonstrate, but it does fit on the X2. You can put a Pixel 6. I believe you can even put, the S21 Ultra. I'm not really sure. Don't have one of those, but I think that might actually fit. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's put a phone in right now. And because the good thing I'm not using my Pixel 6 Pro anyway, because that phone has a huge overheating problem. Just playing games in it, it just overheats and starts doing some weird things. So let me go ahead plug this into here, right in here. I do have some games already set up, but yeah. So this is how it will look when you have your a mobile phone inside, and the design leaves a gap right here so air can pass through to somewhat keep your mobile device or I'll keep it a bit cool. So some pass through here. There is even a gap here. I don't know how well that's coming off in camera, but there's a gap there as well to keep that to keep some of that air flowing through as well. Now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to test this out with some Android games, a couple Android games, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to play some emulation. So now I'm going to go ahead and play some games on my favorite PlayStation emulator. after playing all of these games, I would say this is a wonderful controller. For $70, it is pretty it is kind of expensive for $70. It's a very nice controller. Not analog as I mentioned before, but it's all digital, but it works pretty well for the old school games that I've been playing here, Dreamcast, PlayStation, and also for the Android gaming experience. It does do well. Now, the only complaints I do have about this controller, one of them being the screenshot button that is so close to the D-pad, especially when I'm trying to especially fighting games like Street Fighter, Alpha 3, when I'm doing those carves like for the Hadoukens, I I always seem to always touch on the screenshot button because my big fat fingers, big fat thumb to be exact, would always hit on that button and take like I said, 100 screenshots in like one gaming session. And that's the only complaint I have. Besides, the overlay doesn't seem to work on the Poco F2 Pro. I don't know. I haven't tested it out on the Pixel 6 Pro as yet, but I will, and I will leave that down in the comments, letting you know if it did work on that or with Genshin Impact. Besides that, it's an awesome controller. $70 is a little steep, as I mentioned. But the link is in the description. As I said, right now you could get the carrying case as well for that same $70 price that you would just get the controller alone with. So you're saving $30 on the case. And yeah, great controller. I would say I would recommend it. You know, there are some cheaper ones out there, but yeah, that's it for the video. I'm Drew, your Stuttering Tech once again. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification and enable all so you can be notified when I upload new content. And see you guys in the next one. A peace out.